Welcome back, guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you real life scenario of reversal candlestick pattern. We've discussed the theoretical aspect of it, and so let's be picking out different candlestick pattern on the chart. So let's get into it. This is trading view and this is Ethereum USD chart. I'm going to be showing you different reversal candlesticks pattern. So for example, this is a piercing pattern. So we've been having a downtrend. So this downtrend stopped at this support, this area, and these two candlesticks that we have here is what is called piercing pattern. Why do we call it piercing pattern? The green candle is more than 50% of the red candle. Do you understand? So that is a reversal. That's why the price went up from the support level. For this one, this is a bullish engulfing pattern. Bullish engulfing pattern is seen in a downtrend. This is the downtrend. From year to year is a downtrend. So after the downtrend at support, remember this is a support zone. After the downtrend, we saw this red candle and then the green candle. You can see that the green candle is way bigger than the red candle, which represents a bullish reversal pattern. It means the activities of the buyers here is more than the activities of the sellers. So in other words, there's a trend reversal. You can see from the downtrend, we have this bullish engulfing and then price went up. So let's look for other ones. So this one is also a piercing pattern. These two candlestick formation, the green and the red. The green is more than 50% of the red, which represents a piercing pattern. So price went up from this level. You can see that's a piercing pattern. Here, this is a bearish engulfing. Remember, when the red candle covers the green candle, it means the activities of the seller is more than the activities of the buyers. At resistance, what happened to the price? It dropped. This is also a piercing pattern here. This is a bullish engulfing. Can you see? So the green candle covers the whole body of the red candle. This is also a bullish engulfing. You can say every time we see bullish engulfing, price goes up. So here, this is a bearish engulfing. So many candlesticks to pick out. So here, this is a tweezer top. Remember, tweezer top is a two candlestick formation. This is the top here. You can see that the eyes of the candle are at both levels. So this is the highest the candle, this green candle got to, and this is the highest the red candle got to. And what happened to the price? The price dropped. I told you, when you see a tweezer top, it means the price is about to drop. Do you understand? So that's an example of a tweezer top. Hopefully we see a tweezer bottom. This is a bearish engulfing pattern. The red candle is bigger than the green candle, which shows that the activities of the sellers are more than the activities of the buyers. This is a bullish engulfing candle. Remember, the green candle is way bigger than the red candle. That's a bullish engulfing pattern. In this one, this is a morning star. Remember, morning star is a three candlesticks formation. So we have the red, the small candle, and then the green. Remember, the green must be more than 50% of the red. So this is a morning star candle right here. Here is an evening star candle. So this is an evening star candle. We have the green candle, the small candle, and the red candle. The red candle is bigger than 50% of the green candle, which is an evening star. You can see after the evening star, the price dropped. Then we saw morning star and then price increased. So this one is a bullish engulfing pattern. This is also a bullish engulfing pattern. This is an evening star. This one is an evening star. We have a green candle. The second candle is a small candle, and then the third candle is way bigger than the green candle. But remember, it must be more than 50%, which is even more than 100%. So this is an evening star. This is a bullish engulfing pattern. This is a dark cloud cover. There are so many bullish engulfing pattern. This is a bullish engulfing pattern. Yeah, this is a morning star. The red candle, the small candle, it could either be doji, it could be any candle, it could be spinning top, and then the green candle, which is more than 50% of the red candle. So this is a morning star. And what happened to the price? It's increased. This is a bullish engulfing pattern. This is a piercing pattern. Piercing pattern shows that the green candle is more than 50% of the red candle. So this is a bearish engulfing. The red candle is bigger than the body of the green candle, and that signifies a drop in the market. Then after that, we also have another confirmation here which shows an evening star, which is a green candle, a small candle, and a red candle. The red candle is bigger than 50% of the green candle. That shows evening star. I think we have given enough examples. This is a dark cloud cover. After this uptrend from this place to this place, then we got this formation here, which is a green candle and a red candle, but the red candle is more than 50% of the green candle, which made the price to drop. Then when the price dropped, what happened? We got a bullish engulfing pattern at support, and then what happened? Price went up. Another one is this. This is a morning star, a red candle, a small candle, and a big green candle, which is more than 50% of this candle, which made the price go up. Let's look for one more. This is a bearish engulfing pattern. The red is more than the green, which made the price go down. So what you want to do after this lesson is to just practice and check these candlesticks out. So when you see them, you know what they mean, you know what they are used for, you know what they represent. You don't need to know the name. The reason why I know the name is because I'm teaching them. You don't need to know the name. You can just know what they represent whenever you see them. Do you understand? So that will be all for this lesson. I will see you in the next. And in the next lesson, we are going to be talking about chart patterns. So take a rest. I will see you in the next.